Hello guys, welcome to another video of Almighty FX. Yes sir guys, please hit the sub button and the like button if you like the video guys. Okay, let's go together. Okay guys, so this week I took a small loss, but it is big for me because I only have so much capital to trade with. Okay, because CPI didn't go my way and the USD currency fell, okay, because of CPI, and only one candlestick took me out because I only trade on the daily time frame. Okay, this is what I mean guys. Let me show you this loss I took on my Xness account. I took a Euro USD trade and it resulted in a loss, as you can see right here guys. It was a -2 Kuwaiti dinar. Okay, and the currency I'm using right now is very strong. Okay guys, and also on XM I also took a loss, but let me I also took a $5 loss on XM. Okay guys, let me show you right here. Here is it guys. I took a $5 loss on XM, which was a USD Swiss franc buy. Okay guys, but right now we move on. Okay, we don't focus on our past, and losses don't determine your future. Okay, so right now I'm focusing on these pairs right here. Okay, these are the pairs that I'm focusing on right now, but I am a skilled trader. It's just that I don't have much capital to trade with. And prop firms guys, I know there are prop firms, it's just that I love trading personal accounts because I feel the drawdown and I feel the loss. Okay guys, me prop firm is like demo. Okay, but that's a story for another day. I can trade prop firms, but it's a story for another day. So right now I am down heavy. Okay guys, on my XM account and my Xness account. Okay, but we move on guys. Let me just show you my stats right here. Okay guys, so I took a total of 10 trades, 5 winning trades and 5 losing trades. Okay, so let me share my strategy with you guys. So my strategy description is: I reset my charts, clearing the clutter to sharpen my vision. Okay, meaning I switch to line charts. Okay, seeing only what matters. I mark reversals with horizontal rays, catching the turning tides before they shift. Okay guys, I map the bigger picture with a trend channel, aligning myself with the market's flow. I define key zones with rectangles, spotlighting the battlegrounds of price action. I hunt setups with SMC, which means smart money concepts, waiting patiently for a retest on key zones. Break of structure or change of character to reveal entry opportunities. I refine precision with Fibonacci, measuring retracements from 10%, 50% to 100% with confidence. I stay informed with Forex Factory, which is this app that I'm in right now, and investing.com, grounding my trades in news and performance. This strategy is a structured trend following swing trading strategy with SMC Confluence. Okay guys, so this account is 15 weeks old, but my ex XM account, I think it is very old, guys. This account, I've tried not to blow it because it is personal, guys. I must grow this account even if I'm lacking some basic skill, but I keep on pushing, guys. Let me show you. So my XM account is like 40 weeks old, okay, and it was a $20 deposit and they gave me extra $20. Okay, so it was a $40 overall equity. But then I'm in negatives right now and I have an equity of $8, okay, from $20. Okay, guys, so I took a total trades of 76, okay, and my winning trades were 26 and my losing trades were 49. So I am getting there, but there is something I got to fix. Okay, guys, I am 3 years trading right now, and I have improved a lot because this is the first account I haven't blown. Like, I usually blow after 1 month or 2 months of trading an account, and this account is almost a year trading it without blowing it. Okay, so this is a huge achievement to me, even if I'm in deep losses. Okay, guys, so let's get out of here and get straight to the charts. Okay, so Euro USD is currently in a downtrend. Okay, in the daily time frame. So I usually analyze from the 12 month, then I go to the monthly time frame, to the weekly, and the daily time frame. Okay, guys, so in the daily time frame I can spot a downtrend on Euro USD. Okay, guys, so if I go to the weekly time frame, then I zoom out, there I draw my support and resistance zones, okay, where the market might retest and push towards the upside. Okay, we could see that this right here was a fake out, then the market went back in the zone and pushed towards the upside. But right now we are on top of the previous resistance, making it a support. Okay, guys, in the daily time frame, when we zoom out, we could see that we also have significant levels here, which is a support and a resistance. So we are currently in a zone, okay, but there is selling momentum as I anticipated a few days ago, but it resulted in a loss. You could see that I entered in this candlestick right here and the market bought. Okay, but right now we have selling opportunities. This is what I mean, guys. From here is the resistance level, okay, and we could sell towards the downside. This is my anticipation to the market, okay, but the market might come and break this resistance and push towards the upside, okay, to that resistance zone right there. Okay, guys, this is my future anticipation of the market. Okay, but I do not force my predictions against the market, I only follow. Okay, but then CPI took me out, but then it's a loss that I can accept. Okay, guys, then we move to USD JPY. Before moving to USD JPY, let's move back to Euro USD and see how this pair is performing. Okay, so to see the performance of a pair, you must go to investing.com and add your symbols right here in your watch list. Okay, so Euro USD has been performing not well. Okay, from the year started till today, as you could see, it has been performing in a bad way, which is at a negative 2%. Okay, and for the past month it has been also selling, but then this week the news were in effect and it didn't go as planned. Okay guys, let me show you calendar. It didn't go as planned. As you see, CPI took me out. Okay, as you could see, they say actual greater than forecast is good for currency, and it wasn't actual greater. Okay, so it was bad for the USD currency, and the current and Euro USD bought. Okay, because the USD fell, as you can see right here guys, this week. But today we are starting on a good momentum. Okay, but we are not entering, we are just anticipating. Okay, just take a look there guys. This month we are neutral, today we are neutral. Only this week, okay, is anticipating sales because we are at a resistance zone, as you could see right here guys. Okay, this candlestick is also showing us a selling body, a sell body candlestick. Okay, so moving to USD JPY. USD JPY is in an overall uptrend. Okay, and this uptrend is the daily time frame. It's in the daily time frame. Okay, so it has already crossed or broken above the all-time high. Okay, a resistance level. Okay, this right here was the all-time high last year 2024, and it broke it. Okay, 2 years later it broke this high. Okay guys, so what I'm anticipating right now is that the market might go bullish because we have already broken above and had couple of retests on top of the support level. Okay, which was the previous resistance. As you could see with SMC guys, it could tell us if we break the previous monthly high and the weekly high, we are buying. Okay, that's straightforward guys, but we do not force our predictions, we only follow the market. Okay, and we could see it with USD JPY. Let me just take out this NZD. Yeah, with USD JPY, from the year started, we are in a positive percentage. Okay, because we are up by 3.49%. USD JPY. Okay, this is the price of USD JPY. It is up by 3.49% for the whole year. Okay, and for the month we performed well, but this week, this day, it was bad this week. Okay, it was a bad week for me because news took effect and I took a loss. Okay, but losses are part of the game, and if you can't accept losses, you won't know how to navigate around these losses. Okay, such as you will revenge trade if you don't know how to take in losses. Okay, so moving to USD Swiss franc. Okay, this is the other pair that I took a loss in. Okay, I took a buy, then it sold towards the downside. Okay, I took a buy, then it sold, but I think this is my mistake because it caught me in a fake out. Okay, and we do make mistakes in the market guys. Okay, so I acknowledge my mistake and right now I'm fixing it. So right now we are in a zone. We are trapped between support and resistance. So right now I am not anticipating anything. I'm just letting price do its things. Okay, USD Swiss franc has been good so far. As you can see, it has been performing well, but I will only anticipate buys only if we break this resistance level. Okay, that's only when I'm anticipating buys. But right now we are not forcing our predictions against the market, we only follow. Okay, then moving to USD CAD has been dropping. Okay, it created a high and now it's dropping, but it is dropping towards a support zone which was a previous resistance zone. Okay, this is what I'm talking about, guys. So when the market reaches here, it can either turn towards the upside. Okay, this is what I mean, guys. It could turn and make a break towards the upside, or it could continue to break down, retest, and go towards the support level. Okay, we could also draw a trend line, but I didn't draw a trend line because I am trapped between a zone. Okay, so if I draw this trend line, we can see that price obviously broke out, and it broke out strong. Okay, guys, so price broke out strong, and let's see the performance of USD CAD. Okay, USD CAD has been performing quite well since the year started, but the previous month till today it has been selling. Okay, and the chart can show us that. Okay, it has been selling from the previous month till today. If the market breaks out, then we'll be looking for sales, but we are not anticipating anything from the market. Okay, we only follow. The market is there to lead us. Okay, guys, so moving to gold. I don't trade gold on my personal accounts because gold is very, very, very volatile. Okay, so it could take me out in seconds. As I showed you guys that I don't have large capital. Okay, let me show you my real capital now. This is my two accounts. Okay, two real accounts. This doesn't want to reactivate, but as you could see, last thing is 1 July, but now I'm really down. My current balance is 0,800 Kuwaiti dinars. Okay, from 5 Kuwaiti dinars, it means that I'm down very bad. Okay, and as you could see in my XM account, I have a balance of $9. Out of $40, I have a balance of $9. Okay, but they are both live accounts. So obviously there are emotions involved, but I do not let my emotions control me. Once I took a loss, I step back from the charts and see where I made a mistake. Okay, guys. But talking about gold, guys, I don't trade gold because it is volatile, first thing, but I do analyze it to follow it because I am practicing. Once I have large amounts of money, then I could trade gold, and by that time I would have known how gold plays around. Okay, so gold right now is at a support zone. Okay, as you would see here, it is gold is at a support zone. Okay, but we are anticipating sales only, and that's only if the market decides to break below and have a retest. Okay, this is what I mean, guys, but I will not take the trade because I do not have enough capital. Okay, guys, and we will be anticipating buys if the market breaks this level right here. There is a key level right here, guys. A key level. It created a lower high. That's the reason it's a key level, and we will move towards the lower high. Okay, this is also a key level right here, but they are close to each other, so I marked this one out instead. Okay, this is what I'm anticipating for gold, guys, but I don't trade gold, I just analyze it. Okay, in the weekly time frame, we could see that we're in a very bullish momentum. Okay, we're in a bullish momentum until the market decided to create the high and went down sloping. Okay, guys, and it is like it has broken out of its overall bullish trend. No, I think it's still inside, so we can say that the market might go back towards the upside because it is at the support of the trend line. Okay, this is what I mean, guys. The market might go towards the upside and touch its previous high. Okay, but we do not force our predictions, guys. We only follow the market, and the market is there to lead us. Okay, so this is gold right here, guys. Gold is very volatile and it is playing well. Okay, as you can see, gold has been selling. Gold has been selling from this year started. Okay, and we are down by 6.66% of the price. Okay, since the year started, 6%. This month alone, we are down 5.42%, and this week 2.27%. So the market was pushing towards the upside since the downside, I mean, since the year started. As you can see, since January, gold has been selling. Okay, gold has been selling. Okay, but once we break this previous weekly low, we will be continuing with our sales. Maybe the market might sell until the year ends. We don't know, we just follow. Okay, but now it's currently breaking the previous weekly low. Okay, so we might be pushing for sales. So when I go to BTC USD, I'm also not trading it because it is very volatile, just like XAU USD. But I'm anticipating buys towards the upside, and I'm just practicing, guys. That's why I I drew this tool, okay, this buying tool, and yeah, whatever. Okay, just to practice if BTC will hit my target. Okay, but right now it is selling, but it has broken out of its bearish trend. Okay, let's see in the weekly time frame. We are in a downtrend. Okay, it is also a downtrend, but we are still trapped inside this downtrend. But the market might buy towards the upside. We don't know till where. Okay, so we are from a support zone, and we also broke the bearish trend, and also we had a double bottom. Okay, this is retest right there. So let's see what BTC is doing. Okay, from year to date, from the year started till today, BTC has been down by 26%, a whole 26%. Okay, and from the previous month, 0.27%. But this week we are up, as the market shows right here. It is buying. Okay, so the market can buy, the market can sell, but this is what we are anticipating. Okay, but let me delete this because the market might sell and then push towards the upside. So this is what I'm anticipating if the market buys. Okay, and then if it sells, I will only wait for a break below this trend line so we can continue with the bullish move. Okay, yeah, okay guys. So yeah, this is all the pairs that I analyze. Okay, let me just, yeah, this is all the pairs I've analyzed, and I'm sticking to these pairs for the whole year, guys, because I'm a swing trader. I take trades on the daily time frame, and I could wait to take a position for almost 2 weeks and I'll still take a loss. I could wait for to take a position for a whole month and I could take a profit. Okay, so right now we have an eye on Euro USD. Okay, but we do not force our predictions. Okay, guys. So yeah, man. Please hit the sub button and let us go together, guys. I promise I am here to share everything and I'm not here to gatekeep. Okay, so my name is Almighty FX. Please stay patient, stay profitable. Okay, see you at the top. Almighty FX, and I'm out.